Hello everyone and welcome. This is the fourth video in a series on how to turbocharge a Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 using a turbo kit from turbokits.com. In this video, I will show you the steps I took to relocate the ABS harness to allow clearance for the turbo and piping installation. This is how I completed the ABS harness relocation. See you on my next video about turbocharging my Tundra. Remember to hit that like button below and subscribe if you like this content.